Please subscribe Blackytec channel and hit the bell icon to receive the notification. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Raj, and today in this video we're gonna discuss about the audio jack adapter issue in Samsung phone. So basically I have Samsung A80 with me, and I don't have any audio jack port in my phone, so I need to buy an audio jack adapter from the third party brand, or you may buy a Samsung adapter. But I have tested several third party adapters and they are not working in the Samsung phones. So basically Samsung are having software updates for their audio jack, or you can say the Type-C ports, so you won't be able to use the external brand audio jack adapter. Hence I have purchased a Samsung adapter, jack adapter. This is the original Samsung the jack adapter. It cost me around 700 rupees from Samsung store. Let's do the unboxing and see how this looks like. So guys, now you can see that I am using this audio jack with my external mic, external Boya mic, and the sound is recording with the help of this audio jack only. So you can see the audio quality and the support of this audio jack. So it is supporting properly on my phone. So if you have any issue with your your Type-C to audio jack adapter with your Samsung phones, then you need to buy the original Samsung jack adapter. Other third party will not be supporting your phone, so please do buy the original Samsung the jack adapters. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next video.